landed on orange. How come Mirabel gets a turn and I don't get a turn?
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Fizzy, I'm so excited! My friends are coming over today!
I'm so excited for you too! You're gonna play the disc drop game!
Yeah, it's going to be awesome sauce!
Oh, you stay here, Phoebe. I'll go get them and bring them to your room.
Thanks, Fizzy!
Well, hello, Phoebe.
Hello, Mirabel!
I'm so excited to come over and play with you today.
Oh, that must be Mayday!
Hello, Phoebe. Thanks for having me over.
It's great to have you over! So we have the disc drop game, but I'm not sure what we should do with it.
I have an idea. Let's make lunches.
Oh, okay! That sounds like fun! The only problem is, we don't have lunch boxes!
Whoa, I can help with that.
Time for Fizzy magic!
You know it. Fizzy, whizzy, bo-bizzy, bop.
Oh, Fizzy! Lunch boxes, thank you! And did you fill up the colorful boxes?
Yes, they are filled with fun food, sticker, and maybe some silly surprises.
Oh, let's get this disc drop game
Party started! Yeah! So, how does this work exactly? Oh, Miss Hands will drop the discs, and whatever color they land on, then we open up that box, and we find out what's inside. Oh, okay. Miss Hands, we need a hand. Okay, I'm happy to help, and we have our discs, we have our disc drop game, and now, Mirabel, yes? Tell me where you want me to drop this. Oh, okay. Let's go right down the middle, under the word game. Okay, here we go. It landed on yellow. So let's see what's in the yellow box for Mirabel. Ooh, it looks like we have grapes. That's great. We also have a strawberry and we have stickers. They are Encanto stickers. We can use these to decorate the lunchbox. So we have a lunchbox for Mirabel and we have these two stickers. Ooh, they're so cute. Look, it's me and Antonio. That's right. Let's go ahead and take the sticker that has Mirabel and Antonio and see if it fits right up here. Yes, it fits. And let's see. She fits right in here. Yes. We now have Mirabel on here too. And we have a lot more room. I hope we find more stickers. But until we drop the disc again, we can start filling up this lunchbox with grapes and a strawberry. How come Mirabel gets a turn and I don't get a turn? Oh, Meme, it's okay. You get your turn right now. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, let's drop it right here, right below Phoebe. Okay, let's drop it right here below Phoebe. It landed on orange. Okay, Meme, let's see what's in the orange box. Whoa, Fizzy. We have a bunch of orange slime. Whoa. Ooh, that's really pretty, but I hope there's something else in there. Yes, stay calm. There's something else in there. Oh, good. There wasn't just slime in there. We also found a kiwi for Maymay's lunch. And one more thing in here. Oh, it looks like we have a chicken for her lunch. So silly. What? There are no stickers in there? We're not going to decorate my lunch? Maymay, relax. I bet we'll find some stickers for you if we keep dropping that disc. Okay, hurry and drop that disc. Okay, I will, but first, let's go ahead and open up this lunchbox. And we can put the kiwi in over here. And this little tiny chicken in over here. Now drop that disc! I will, but remember, it's Mirabel's turn. Oh, okay.
Maybe remember we have to take turns. That's the only way it's fair. And I bet we'll find some stickers for you. Don't worry.
Okay. I'm feeling better already. Mirabel, your turn. Let's see. We haven't landed over here, so maybe we can drop the disc all the way over to the far right over here. Okay, Mirabel, let's go all the way over here. It went right back over to that orange. Let's try this again. Uh-oh, it landed on yellow. Oh no, we've already landed on yellow. I changed my mind. Let's go right down the middle with the disc. All right, Mirabel, that's a good change in plans. Here we go. Yes, it landed in purple. So let's see what's inside of the purple box. Here we go. We found, look, it's a red panda. And, oh no, an onion and a crab and more stickers. Hey, look, another red panda. There it is. And one more. Hey, it's May May. Oh, she had a little food on her. There she is. A crab and an onion. Ugh, that is very silly. Fizzy is so silly. But I'm glad we found stickers for May May. Let's put them on her lunchbox. Okay, but the first thing we're going to do is put this crab in the lunch and this onion in the lunch as well. Oh, that's going to be a stinky lunch. And now let's see, where should we put these stickers? Maybe this one. Oh, he doesn't quite fit there. Maybe he can go down there. And this cute one up here. And maybe we'll have May May right down here. What do you think, May May? I think that looks perfect. Thank you. Okay, so we'll pop this guy right in here. Looks like he's saying hello. And this little cutie's going right down here. There we go. And our singing May May can go right over here. Perfect! And we have some room, so maybe we'll find even more turning red stickers. And it's my turn for the disc drop. Can you drop it right under Fizzy? Yes, I can. Thank you. Here we go. Oh no, it really loves that orange spot. Let's try it again. It landed on blue. Okay, let's see what's in the blue box. Whoa, it's filled with slime. Ooh, look at this cool slime with all these little foam balls in there. Super cool. Please tell me there is not just slime in there. Oh no, I see some other things. Oh, okay, thanks. Like, oh, it looks like we have a drink in here. It's a cup of pug. That's so silly. And what else do we have in here? A hard-boiled egg. So let's take May May's lunchbox here. And we can put the egg right up here. And for now, we'll put this right down here. So silly. You know what? I'm sticking with straight down the middle. Seems to be bringing me pretty good luck. Okay, straight down the middle we go. Ooh, it landed on black. All right, let's see what's inside. Ooh, we have a strawberry. So squishy. And we have, oh no, an onion again. And more stickers. Oh, more turning red stickers. So first things first, we'll fill up Mirabel's lunchbox with a strawberry and another onion going in there. It looks like her lunchbox is pretty full. I don't know if there's room for anything else, but she could use more stickers. And now we need to figure out where these stickers should go. Let's see. Oh, that doesn't quite fit. Oh, that doesn't quite fit. Oh no, they're not going to fit. We'll figure out a way, don't worry. Okay, if I take this one, squeeze it in there, that fits. And then we take this other one, squeeze them in over here. He fits, and we have room down here for this one. So let's go ahead and put these on the lunchbox. Well, that looks so cute. And this one right over here. Perfect fit. And this one right down here. Everything fits and it looks so good. Yeah, that looks great. But my lunch looks a little empty. Let's drop that disc.
Oh, May May, good job controlling your emotions. Yeah, let's drop that disc.
Okay, we still need to land on red and green. Then go to the far left to try to land on red. Because you know, red is my favorite color. Here we go. It landed on red. Okay, let's see what's in the red box. We have a banana. This is a stretchy banana. We can stretch the peel too. And what else do we have in here? It's the world's smallest double cheeseburger, and it has a dinosaur head. So silly. And we also have stickers in here. They are Encanto stickers. Let's finish making Maymay's lunch. We'll put the banana in here. And where will this cheeseburger fit? In here? We'll squeeze it right in here. Come on, cheeseburger. There we go. Maymay's lunch is made. Okay, now it's time to put the stickers on this lunchbox. Let's see. Maybe this one here. This one here. Isabella over here. And Miss Mirabel over here. Yeah, I think that's going to work. Okay, so here we go. Put this one in here. This one right in the middle, right here. Isabella will go right over here. And Mirabel will go right over here. Perfect! Wait a minute. Is it Mirabel's turn again? And there's only one box left. That means she gets an extra box and I don't get one. Actually, that last box is for both of you. Oh, sorry about that. And we don't even need to drop the disc since there's just one more box. And ladies, what's inside is for both of you. Feast your eyes on this. It's slime. Green, ooey, gooey slime. And that's all there is. Oh, well, that worked out perfectly. You both got enough food for your lunches and enough stickers. And now you get this fun slime.
Oh, Phoebe, we had so much fun playing with you today. Thanks for inviting us over.
You're welcome. We'll have to do this again some other time.
Absolutely. See you later. Yeah, thanks so much. Sorry I lost my cool a few times.
Oh, it's okay. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.
I will. See you later, Phoebe.
Fizzy, thanks for all your magic. It helped make this day so fun and so magical.
Aw, you're welcome, Phoebe. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you have a fizzy fantastic day. We will
See you
next time.